Welcome back now to Prime Time Sports Monday. Let's run off with athletics. Jamaica picked up at least 19 medals in the afternoon session of the third and final day at the 50th CARIFTA Games, which ended a short while ago in the Bahamas. The Jamaicans swept the 4x4 relays to take their tally up to 72 medals at sports time, with the boys under 20 triple jump and the under 17 discus still outstanding. The Jamaicans clocked 3 minutes 07.68 seconds to win the under 20 boys 4x4 event, the final event of the day, after taking the under 20 girls equivalent in 3 minutes 33.35 seconds. The under 17 boys won their section in 3 minutes 19.04 seconds, while the under 17 girls won the equivalent race in 3 minutes 34.44. Earlier, the Jamaicans swept the sprint hurdles, with Brianna Davidson taking gold and Kamoy Binga getting silver in the under 17 section in 13.31 seconds and 13.51 respectively. Alexis James clocked a championship record 13.06 to win the under 20 event, ahead of teammate Asharia Hewlett, who got silver in 13.24. The under 17 boys section was won by Kaheem Carby in a championship record 13.49 seconds, with Jamaica also getting silver in 14.20 through Shakir Lewis. And it was a similar scenario, with Jamaica taking gold and silver, with Demario Prince getting the win in 13.37 and Shaquille Gordon getting second in 13.54 in the under 20 boys event. The Jamaicans also took the top 2 podium spots in the under 20 boys 200 metres through Malik Smith Band and Javon Dunkley. Smith Band got gold in a personal best 20.69 seconds, with Dunkley getting silver in 20.88. Natrice East took bronze in the under 17 girls event after clocking 23.85 seconds. Jamaica's only medalist in the under 17 boys 800 was Delano Todd, who clocked a minute 57.44 for silver. In the field, Kobe Lawrence topped the field in the under 20 shot put with a best effort of 18.55 metres, ahead of compatriot Shaquan Dunn, who threw 17.65. And the girls added gold in the under 17 4x400 metre relays, of course clocking 3 minutes 34.44.